Good morning students. Today we will do brain teaser of chapter 2. Here we will discuss some questions from the brain teaser. See E part of the first part, B, question number B, E part. Find the value of 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 by 6. We will discuss this question. See here, this is the question. 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 by 6. First we will solve this denominator separately and then replace that value here. So I have solved this denominator here. 1 plus 1 by 6, 1 can be written 1 by 1, and we will take the LCM of 1 and 6. So this 6 is divided by 1 and multiplied with 1. We will get 6, and then 6 divided by 1, we will get 1 into 1 here. So we are getting 7 by 6 after solving that denominator. We replace this value in place of this. So we have replaced it. Now 1 will be as it is, plus as it is. See, this is 1 is the numerator and 7 upon 6 is the denominator. Here 1 can be written as 1 upon 1, and this upon sign or divide, upon means divide, this will be converted into multiply, and we will do the reciprocal of the second rational number, means denominator. Its denominator will be 6 upon 7. Now we will multiply it, we will get 6 upon 7. Now 1 upon 1 plus 6 upon 7. Now we will solve it by taking the LCM of the denominator, and after solving it we will get 13 upon 7, which is the answer. Now we will discuss question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. If false, justify your answer with the example. So we will discuss these parts of question number 2, and if statement is false, then we will explain that with the help of example. Question number 1 is, if absolute value of x is 0, then x has no reciprocal. See this part. Absolute value of x is 0. Because absolute value is 0, so absolute value of 0 is 0. Only absolute value of 0 is 0. It means here x is 0 and 0 has no reciprocal. So this statement is true. Now see the second part. If x is less than y, then absolute value of x is less than absolute value of y also. This statement is false. We will discuss it with the help of example. See here, I have taken x as minus 5 and y is equal to minus 2. Here minus 5 is less than 2. So first statement is true, x is less than minus 2. And if we take absolute value of minus 5 and minus 2, here we will get 5 and here we will get 2. In this case 5 will not remain less than 2. Here 5 will be greater than 2. So this statement is false. Absolute value of minus 5 is not less than minus 2. In fact 5 will be greater than 2. So this statement is false. Now see the third part. If x is less than y, then their reciprocals are also same. Means reciprocal of x is less than reciprocal of y. This statement is false. We will discuss it with the help of example. Here I have taken value of x 2 and y is equal to 3. Here 2 is less than 3. But if we take reciprocal of these two, reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2 and reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. And 1 by 2 is not less than 1 by 3. Here 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. So this statement is false. Now see fourth part. The negative of a negative rational number is a positive rational number. Yes, this is true, because negative of a negative means there are two negative signs, and two negative sign, if we combine two negative sign, we will get the sign of plus. So result will be positive. Now see fifth part. Product of two rational number can never be an integer. This statement is false, because if we multiply two rational number we can get the integer also. We will see with the help of example. Here I have taken two rational number 10/3 and -6/5. If we multiply them, after cutting we are getting -4, and -4 is a integer. Sixth is product of two integer is never a fraction. Yes, this statement is true. If we multiply two integers means number on the number line. If we take any of the integer from the number line, suppose I have taken -3 and 2, -3 into 2 -6, so that is not a fraction. If we take other example, 0 into 5 is 0, 0 is not a fraction. So if we multiply two integers we will not get a fraction. If x and y are two rational numbers such that x is greater than y, here x and y are two rational number where x is greater than y, then x minus y is always a positive rational number. Yes, this is true, because here x is greater and we are subtracting greater one from the smaller one from the greater one. So if we subtract it we will get a positive rational number. This is true.